What's up, YouTube? Got a package in the mail today. 7.5-inch pistol kit from Ceratac.com. I ordered my kit on a Tuesday and had it the following Friday. Ceratac offers some pretty unbelievable deals on their pistol kits, short barrel rifle kits, and rifle kits. At $250, can't hardly beat it. I opted to have them assemble the upper for $20. Why not? You have the option of either key mod or M-lock handrails. For $5, I upgraded to this nitride bolt carrier group. And another $8 more got me this ambidextrous charging handle. Ceratac's pistol kits and short barrel rifle kits buffer tubes have foam padding for a good cheek weld. I chose to go with the Shockwave pistol brace for an extra $40. The lower parts kits are all mil-spec and packaged well. Ceratac offers an 80% lower receiver kit if that's the route you want to take, or purchase a lower receiver elsewhere and you got yourself a hell of a package. My kit came with a .223 Wild barrel, allowing me to shoot either .223 or .556.